Okay, everybody, welcome back. I have a camera operator for 1 minute today. We're down to putting this piece, which was not cut before. It's like a cooking show. One whole piece in line, like that. Where this end goes into that coupling and that end goes into that coupling, but how do you put that in there? It's impossible, apparently. What happens is, you make a cut, you take a coupler, which I've used there and there, but they have a little ridge around the inside where this piece of pipe stops and that piece of pipe stops that'll keep it from being able to slide over the diameter freely all the way down and back, so you have to sand that piece out. So I went and I put a sanding drum in the drill press. I don't know how other people do this on YouTube, but I went to the drill press and I put a sanding drum and I brought the table up so that the drum was inside, and I sanded it around and around until I'd sanded that little ridge off smooth. So that means, now you could do this, I could have done this to this coupling here. I mean, you can probably tell we're going to slide it down all the way, put everything in place, and then slide it over halfway. The problem is, once I'm covering the two pieces of pipe, how do I know that it's about centered? And I don't like playing around with the piece that disappears into the dirt, because if I make a mistake, I've got more digging to do. So those are complete couplings that I've glued on, free and clear, no problem. So where I made my cut is about as far as I want this to go in one side, and I'll stop when I do that. And that's the way I picked how to do it. So I want to be sure of my orientation here. I don't know, honey, are we sure of my orientation?
Well.
Okay. So we'll slide it back like this, just out of our way, and we'll put glue on this end and glue on this end, because this is how we want this in here. And we'll put that piece in and that piece in, and then we'll put a little more glue and we'll slide that coupler back on there. So we'll break out our glue. We've already got our purple drink on there to prime it. Don't drink it, it's not purple drink. Please enjoy my room tone, aka the side of the road and cars driving by. This is us. This is actually kind of gross, getting all curds and whey on us. And then I like to wipe the crud with my old underwear out of the hole. Shove that in there. Enjoying yourself?
This is very professional.
This is a very high production value. Gotta make shorts, 1 minute clips for YouTube. Everybody loves shorts. This is how you fix your leaking sump pump when you don't want the neighbors to know that that's happening. You bury it underground so nobody's the wiser. Then I'll put this piece in here. Oh no! I have a little bit of wiggle room because it's plastic. I can squeeze it by. And I want to be at 45 degrees roughly, so that this goes back to level for us. If anything, I want to be a little uphill to that, so that's just as a gauge. That's looking good. Now we can back this all the way off and put the glues on here. Try not to eat any. It smells like it's edible, but it is not. Ugh. We'll actually spin the coupler when we're on there just to be sure that we've got good coverage. Let me slide back till we stop, give it a little turn. There you go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.